In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a repository from GitHub in a few straightforward steps. This is incredibly useful whether you're working on a collaborative project or simply want to explore and learn from open source contributions. We'll make this process as simple as possible so that even if you're new to GitHub, you won't have any trouble following along. To get started, you're going to need internet access. So let's begin. First, you'll want to head over to GitHub. For this, simply open your preferred web browser and type in github.com in the address bar, then press enter. You'll find yourself on the GitHub homepage. If you have an account and aren't logged in yet, go ahead and log in to ensure you have full access to the repository tools. Now, GitHub is essentially a cloud-based platform that developers use for code storage, version control, and collaboration. Millions of repositories or projects live there and are accessible to you. Okay, once you're on GitHub, it's time to search for the repository that you need. A repository, if you're unfamiliar, is essentially a space or a project where all your project files and their revision history are stored. Usually, you can find the repo you're looking for by using the search bar at the top of the screen or by navigating through your personal repositories or checking the repositories of other users or organizations that you're interested in. Once you have located the repository you want, go ahead and click on its name to open it. Now that you're inside the desired repository, pay attention to a green button near the top labeled Code. This is a key feature that offers several options. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu is important because it provides various methods for downloading and cloning the repository. If you're just looking to download the contents as they are, focus on the option that says Download Zip. This will begin the download of the entire repository as a .zip file, which is a compressed folder containing all the files from the repository in one neat package. After clicking Download Zip, your browser should begin downloading the file to your computer automatically and save it to your designated Downloads folder. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder and you'll find the zipped file waiting for you. To view or work with the files, you'll need to extract or unzip the contents of this file using a decompression tool, such as WinRAR, 7-Zip, or your operating system's built-in utility. Just right-click the file and select the extract option to do so. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded a GitHub repository to your local machine. Whether you aim to contribute, explore, or learn, doing this opens up doors to endless possibilities and collaboration with developers worldwide. Happy coding and exploring.